In this video, I'll show you the exact strategy I use to invest when the market is volatile. In fact, I'll show you the exact strategy I use to invest week over week and month over month. Before I get to that, I'll share with you two quick tips that help me keep my emotions in check. So the first would be the last 100 years. Over the last 100 years, there have only been about 17 bear markets or recessions with an average duration of about 10 months. That tells us when the market goes down, it typically doesn't go down for long. I know there's a lot of people out there, when their stocks go down, they start freaking out and thinking they should buy. Don't do that. Again, remember the last 100 years. The second tip is to focus on two different quotes. One is from Warren Buffett, the other is from Phil Town. So Warren Buffett has quoted, "We want to be greedy when the market is fearful and fearful when the market is greedy." In my opinion, the first part of that quote is more important. Be greedy when the market is fearful, which should be buying more when the market is going down. Related to that is what Phil Town said, and this is one of my favorite quotes from Phil Town, which is, "We make money when the market goes up, but we get rich when the market goes down." That's referencing a strategy called stockpiling, and that's the exact strategy I use every week. So before I show Tykr, stockpiling is a strategy where you want the market to go down. Yes, you want it to pull everything down, and then you keep buying more of those strong on sale stocks in Tykr. Now, if you haven't used Tykr, there's a few other ratings. We're going to take a look at that in a second, but what I'm doing every single week, and if it's not every week, it's at least a few times per month, where I'm buying shares of my stocks that are down the most. That's correct. When my stocks go down the most, I'm buying more, because what I'm trying to do is lower my cost basis, or otherwise known as my average cost per share. So let me show you my portfolio in my watch list. What I like to do in Tykr is I like to set up my columns, and I'll show you here. If you go to personalize, you can turn on and off your columns, and then you can arrange them. And I like to see the company, the summary, the score, the margin of safety, the 4M, and the 7. So hit apply, and I can see that exact order. Then I'd like to do is turn on the 1 month duration columns. Let's go down here. We're going to turn on 1 month. We'll continue. I'm going to drag that up just so it's right after the 7. And this is what I do. Now, if you haven't used Tykr and you're curious, you can go to tykr.com. You can go over to education and then down to calculations. You can see the open source calculations. And if you want, you can go create your own version of Tykr. We're not going to stop you. But in Tykr, this is what I'm doing. I'm looking for those on sale stocks. Only about 15% of stocks make it to on sale. If you haven't used Tykr, the summary is like a traffic light where stocks are either on sale, watch, or overpriced. So I'm looking for those on sale stocks, and we want to see a 7. The 7 kind of rolls everything up, all the ratings, into a nice, easy rating system between 0 and 7. And only about 1 to 2% of stocks in the market make it to a score of 5, 6, or 7. All right, so looking at this, I can see that Nvidia is down about 2% and Google's about break even. You can see Nvidia's got a 7 out of 7. And real quick here, out of the 50,000 stocks in Tykr, only about 1,000 stocks have a 5, 6, or 7. Only about 300 stocks have a 6 or 7. And only about 40 stocks have a score, perfect score of 7 out of 7. And Nvidia is on that list. All right, so I see here Nvidia is down about 2.5%, and I see Google's about break even at about 0.6. So guess what? I'm buying more of those stocks, and I do this every single week. I'm only selling my stocks when they change, and this is taught in Tykr, only selling when that on sale flips to watch or overpriced, and that 4M score drops to 59 or lower. The 4M uses AI to look past the math part and also looks at the business, the competition, and the management. Creates a little more rigor on the rating. But again, the 7 kind of rolls all these scores here, the summary, the score, margin of safety, and 4M right up to it. So there you go. That's what I'm doing literally every single week. And when these stocks go down the most, like for example, there were a few months back when Palantir was down I think it was down like 20%. I got really excited. Again, what does Warren Buffett and Phil Town teach us? We want to be excited when the market goes down. You want to buy those stocks when they're down, because when they're really strong stocks, they typically don't stay down for long. They can skyrocket very quickly. However, if you were to buy some overpriced stocks that are red, they have a really low 7 score, they typically don't take off. In many cases, they can fall more. So that's why at Tykr, we're getting into the strong stocks in the first place. So yeah, that's my simple strategy. Again, all the credit goes to Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and Phil Town teaching us value investing. But the key thing there is we want our stocks to go down. We tell people at Tykr you want to be buying stocks at least every month. But in my case, I try to buy more every single week. I want those stocks to fall as much as possible. I buy more and I keep doing that on repeat. I hope this video was helpful. If you stayed to the end, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. If you want to see which stocks in your portfolio may be great buying opportunities right now, I invite you to join Tykr for free. Of course, don't buy and sell stocks based solely on what you hear. Only buy and sell stocks that align with your own personal financial goals. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.